I don't know what happened. All of a sudden the stream just shut off. Yeah, I don't know. Well, hopefully it's going now. So, how's it going, everyone? What's up, Legend of Alexander? What's happening? Gonna do a little giveaway tonight. Dude, that's pretty good on Spark, man. Dan Evans. I think Spark's one of the best ones. It is in my market anyway. You have to go on a waiting list for Spark, so. For sure. Yeah, honest take, it was not that great. I passed a few Apex accounts, just kind of YOLOing them. I made 410 on the personal account. Not personal. Feels like a personal. Take Profit Pro account. Daily payout. Yeah, the Tradeify one that I had very little drawdown left, I ended up smoking that one. So exclamation point Pine in the chat. Gonna do a giveaway here. I'm not gonna stay on too late tonight, so yo, Newts, what's happening? Hopefully the stream stays up. For some reason it crashed earlier, so hopefully it stays up. Alright, cool, Dan Emmons. Oops. Oh, dang, Trading Star. We'll give it an hour, let people filter in and stuff, and hang out. And hey, Farhat, what's happening? David Snyder, how's it going? So market's opening up here in 1 minute. We'll see what I got going on here. I'm probably gonna work on an Apex account. More or less just practicing these slow markets. I haven't been trading them that well. I'm gonna take tomorrow off from streaming and really like practice a little bit. Oops. Yeah, so I got these Apex accounts here. Passed today. I was YOLOing them, so nothing to really talk about. But markets are open, push it up higher. Nice push up from 1 o'clock this afternoon. How'd everyone else do? iPine, yeah. Yeah, Spark is Walmart Spark. Yeah, technically Newts, yeah. We actually were calling it Turtle Markets. We were calling it Turtle Markets last night. Yeah, man. That's what you gotta do. I've done it. I've done it, Newts. I still do it every once in a while. If I'm in town, like at the gym or something, I'll turn on those apps if I can pick up an order or whatever, and on the way home, $30, $40, I do it. I go, hey, I just filled my gas tank. Turtle markets, yeah, absolutely, Newts. How you doing today, Newts? Hey, Investars, what's happening? Good to see you. 5XFA still at top set, 6K in profits. Wow, nice, Michael. Awesome. Lassie, how's it going? So exclamation point Pine in the chat, guys. If you entered in the giveaway, we're going to do it at 7 p.m. Oh, yeah, that's pretty close, Legends. Nice. I'm going to tweet out my... you must have PayPal as well, guys. Must have PayPal. Something funny. My very first giveaway this morning. We TCG Andy won, which some of you guys probably seen him around in some of the other streams. And of course, me being a bozo, I sent it to the wrong person on PayPal. But TCG Andy was cool, and ended up we messaged each other, and we straightened it out, so it was all good. Because he kept saying that he didn't get my money, and I'm like, I know I sent it. But yeah, it was funny. I was like, yeah, typical, my very first giveaway, and I sent it to the wrong person. Change my bracket here. What do we got going on? Farrat, what's happening? Yeah, it was funny. Oh, nice, Newts. Good for you, man. Yeah, we got another daily payout coming today, too. Very nice to get those daily payouts. We're at, what do we make? $410. So, minus 20%. Alright, Vince. Yeah, 7 p.m. Eastern, we're going to do it. So, 1 hour. Elena, what's happening? What's happening? That's pretty good, Dan Emmons. Yeah, man. Hopefully they don't turn to crap like the other apps. Like DoorDash and stuff. Don't pay nothing. Spark is pretty good. Oh, nice, Dan Emmons. Yeah, you have to multi-app. You can't do just one. You have to trade one more day, Legend. Nice. Oh, I have to trade one more day on Friday and I'm done, or can I trade later tonight and it will count as the next day? If you trade tonight, it's going to count for tomorrow. What'd you miss? I don't know. No, you didn't miss it. Exclamation point Pine in the chat. Giveaway at 7 Eastern. 1 hour from now. I'm gonna let people filter in. Smash the like button for me, guys. We're celebrating 500 subs, which is an awesome milestone. So Really happy about that. Hey Marco, what's happening? Hey Mad Moxie. So $30 cash giveaway. Must have PayPal, please. I don't have any other apps. I'm a boomer. I don't have any other Cash Apps or Venmos. I don't have any of that stuff yet. I'll work on it. Yeah, thanks, Elena. Yeah, I'm really impressed with the growth of the channel. You know, especially in this space. This space is pretty flooded. You know, so it's been awesome. And you guys have been using my codes on Apex and Bulanox, code Pine, which I'm paying back to you guys right now. So, or at least one of you. Well, two of you, because I technically did one this morning too, for the people that hang in the mornings. So the market looks like it's completely dead, which is typical, but we're hanging. We can talk markets. We can place a trade if we see something, but take a look at gold here. Gold was fun last night. I ended up trading a little bit of gold. Entered in a long, of course, because everyone wants to see it go to 3,000, or at least some people do. But yeah, I was playing with that a little bit last night. Took a hit on the Bulanox accounts last night, guys. Like, hit daily loss limit once again on the Bulanox. I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's the Project X platform or what, but I don't know. It's not the platform, it's me, but. So I trade NASDAQ, Lo-Fi and Chill. Welcome. Lo-Fi and Chill. I got some Lo-Fi going on right now. It's about the only thing I can play during the stream, so. But yeah, I trade NASDAQ. I trade some gold. I'm going to look at some different indices, instruments over the weekend. Thinking about looking at some yen for the Asia markets, the slow markets. Yeah, so I don't know. I'm trying to practice trading this stuff, but so I just got an eval pulled up, guys. If I see a trade, we're gonna take it. We did pass 1, 2, 3. Wait. 1, 2, 3. We passed 4 Apex accounts today, so that'll give me 5 Apexes total. Still got the 3 Bulanox funded accounts, my funded futures, and Take Profit Trader. So, you're short? Good luck, sir. Yeah, yen. Yeah, there's a few people that come on the chat that trade yen, so. And they pretty much exclusively trade yen, so. Especially in the overnights. Black Beauty Machine, Zabak. They all trade yen. Looks like there is some room to the downside here, but with that being said, I'm gonna try a long. Sunday C eval here, and if you guys know anything about me trading in the Asia markets, don't copy my trades, and if you do, it's probably best to fade me. Just kidding. Not financial advice, by the way, anyone. Yeah, absolutely, Big Cat Futures. What you got? 50% consistency. So I got 50K. Just can't make over 1,500. But yeah, ask away. If you got any questions, please just ask away. We are just hanging tonight, chilling. We're celebrating 500 subs. I really appreciate you guys. Channel's growing, so starting to get some attention from other people, other YouTubers and stuff. So yeah. Ooh, Big Cat. Yeah, unfortunately, you're gonna have to. Yeah, you're gonna have to make a lot more. Unfortunately. This is day 1. I'm assuming Big Cat Futures. You're number 412 hot shot. Awesome, I appreciate it, man. Get a little push up here. See if we. This is what happened to us last few nights. Get real close to the take profit, and then it wouldn't take it. It would do that. I swear the market makers are watching me, guys. You know, that's what it is. There it is. Who faded me? Who faded me? Yeah, just a quick 6 points there. So we did actually change my bracket for the overnights. Instead of trying to go in for like 10-point scalps, I cut it down to like, it says 5 points there, but it's actually like 6 points. So nice little start there on this evaluation. 116 bucks. Just a basic break of the first inside bar. That's all that was. Boomer trades. Oh, you've had the account for... that's just... Okay, so you... Yeah, I would say go to your dashboard, Big Cat, just because I don't know what you traded the days before, but chances are you're going to have to make more money, I think. But don't quote me on that. Unfortunately, yeah, he should have, nah, you know, should have tried to lose money, but congrats on making $3,000 today on that account, but yeah. Yeah, if you pass the account, they're gonna send you an email, and then if on the dashboard, on Top Step, I'll pull it up right now. So you were up like 1,600 bucks and then you made 3 grand. Oh man. Yeah, that kind of bites. Probably the dashboard's not updated yet. But yeah, if you end up passing the Top Step, it's going to tell you. It's going to send you an email. It's going to send you congratulations. It's going to send you like 2 emails. So yeah, sorry I can't be more. Best day cannot be greater than 50% of your total profits. Yeah, it'll actually, yeah, Hot Shot's absolutely correct. It's takes to make an additional 3,000. That is a little confusing. I mean, before you like blow it up or do anything crazy like that and just start over, you know. You know, definitely contact support, Big Cat. Because it is possible that the dashboard is wrong. But yeah, thanks Hotshot for helping him out there. Because one thing is math is not my strong suit, so. Yeah, that does make sense. Yeah. Right. Yeah, hot shot. So we're just kind of pushing up from the VWAP here. Guess definitely have some room to the downside. Get some nice gaps here. If you see a short setup, you could try it. Yeah, a little 1 minute 9-touch strat has not been working very well at all. Not in the turtle markets. You're short? Lo-fi and chill? Thanks for the new subs, guys. So if you're just tuning in, we do have a giveaway going on. Exclamation point Pine in the chat. Obviously you have to be a subscriber and have PayPal, please. Yep. Sorry, did I miss something? Yeah, sorry, I miss comments sometimes. I need to get a bigger screen for my... I got it on this like little tiny laptop. How long does TPT take to approve you for a pro account? Passing if passed tonight. Oh, usually it's really quick. Yeah, by morning. No doubt. Yep. Yeah, usually by morning. Legend of Alexander. Usually if I... Take Profit Trader, like, usually before I wake up, I have it. They're not as fast as some of the other ones, but... Oh, if you trade today, it's gonna count for Friday, yeah. If you trade tonight, it's gonna count, so yeah, definitely. So then it'll be past tomorrow night, and then you should have your account by Monday, like Andreas says. Yeah, exactly. So technically, this is the start of the new day right now. So yep. Hey Dylan, how's it going? Andreas, how's it going? Guys, exclamation point Pine doing a giveaway at 7 p.m. Eastern, so in about 40 minutes. To enter in the giveaway, please have PayPal. If you don't have PayPal, I'm sorry. I will work on getting something different, like Cash App or something eventually. Yeah, for sure, Legend. Yeah, just sometimes like it just kind of goes quick and then I don't quite see it, so. But yeah, if I could get like a vertical monitor or something like that so I could see the chat better, it'd be sweet. So, nice push up here on NASDAQ. We exited here at 83.50. It's run here to almost 93. Continuing to push higher. Little flat top breakout, possibly. He was talking about take profit trader, Dan. Or which one do I have? I got Apex pulled up. Take profit trader and my funded futures. Yeah, I don't know if my computer can handle it at Legend. This old Walmart gaming computer, it's been a workhorse for me, and right now, you know, I don't really want to buy another computer yet, because I already have the 2 monitors going, plus the Streamlabs and things like that. And it seems to be working flawlessly, but yeah, I definitely want to get some more monitors. And I don't have the room right now, unless I go up, because I'm in like a little, I don't know what you would call it, like a little space here that I built into my wall for a dresser. And of course there's no dresser here, I have a desk, so it's not that much space. So all my monitors fill my whole space that I have allotted, so it's kind of crazy. And then I have a little laptop on the desk here, and it actually kind of blocks my monitors a little bit, but it's a little ghetto, but it works for now. I have a room in the basement that I want to build into a little studio eventually. Out of your short, Lo-Fi? Yeah, we're pushing up higher. The market is looking super strong, basically since 1 p.m. I think we had some, Trump talks or something going on. I really wasn't paying attention. I ended up not being on the screens all day, which was nice. Tomorrow we don't really have core retail sales, 8:30. Nothing major. I like to look at the earnings. It is earnings season, so yeah, nothing really tomorrow. Just one company reporting tomorrow. I think. Am I on the wrong date? I'm always on the wrong date on this thing. Moderna tomorrow. Moderna and Enbridge tomorrow. Nothing significant for NASDAQ. It's looking at the next week there. So yeah, we're pushing up, still pushing up here, 22,100, continuing to push. Yeah, Dan, yeah, they've been really slow about updating. I don't know what's going on. Open Chrome on your computer, select cast, save, and share in the top corner. Yeah, right, Legend. Yeah, I actually do know how to do that. Thank you, though. Yeah, I do have I have a big TV over here. Well, you can't really see it, but yeah, I have a big TV up there. But I'm gonna get it sorted because I actually have a big, you can see the TV. There it is. All right. But yeah, when I get my studio built in the basement, then I'm definitely gonna do something like that. Yeah, Dan, I gotta get something like that for sure. Yep. Yeah. This was kind of unexpected, but I figured once we hit 500 subs, I probably should have got something else. But As soon as we hit 500 subs, it's like I gotta do a giveaway. Thank you guys. Little milestone giveaway. Exclamation point Pine in the chat. Oh yeah, that could be interesting. Honest take, yeah, for sure for Moderna earnings. Hey Trader 205, looking to get your first prop firm account, but I'm overwhelmed on who to go with. Been demo trading for about 3 months, and ready to dip my toe in. So Trader 205. So yeah, what I would suggest, because you're new, is try to find the cheapest prop firm evaluation that you can get. So you don't want to spend a whole lot of money, but like something like Buellanox, you get an account for like $30. Do you trade? What do you trade on? Let me ask you that. 205. What platform do you trade on? Ninja Trader or Trade of 8? Yeah, good point, Dan. Yeah, make sure you have your KYC stuff with Take Profit Trader for your pro account. Legend of Alexander. Yeah, because they're going to need your driver's license and stuff. Yeah, good point, Dan. Thank you. Joker Trades, what's up? What's going on? Use Ninja Trader. So, yeah, I mean, just find the cheapest prop firm evaluation, and so that way you have skin in the game, you know. $33, you can get an Apex 50K account. Use it for Ninja Trader, and then just practice on that. That way you're gonna have skin in the game. You know, you've been practicing on a demo account, which is great, and so you've tried to practice on you got an edge down. So yeah, just try a cheap prop firm. So oh yeah, my cell phone. Yeah, that's actually not a bad idea too. Not bad, Dave. Yeah, we passed some apexes. We got $410 for a daily payout coming on Take Profit Trader. So nice daily payout. Made $100 in the My Funded Futures. The one that we were trading on stream that this morning, the Tradeify account, that ended up, I only had like $400, $500 in drawdown left. And yeah, I ended up nuking that one. But yeah, it wasn't a bad day, really. I mean, get those daily payouts and it makes it all worth it, right? Yeah, we just got a $1,500 payout on that Tradeify account, and then we blew it, so it happens. I didn't really have that much wiggle room. It didn't owe us anything. You're up 13,000 on your 300K evaluation. Yeah, those are super tough, Nate. Those are crazy tough. Take Profit Trader Big Cat Futures. So the way it works is once you pass the evaluation for Take Profit Trader and you get your pro account, which is your funded account. So say you have a 50,000 or 50K account. You get over the $2,000 buffer, and then anything over $2,000, which you can see on my screen, you can take a daily payout. So, and we've been taking daily payouts all month with it. So it's like tonight, $410. They're gonna take 20% commission. So whatever that is, 300 something. But yeah, it's sweet, super challenging, especially if you're a new trader, Take Profit Trader. I'm gonna try a short here. Just a little scalp. See if we can just test that VWAP again. Stop at the high. Holy shit, guys. I'm in the wrong freaking account. Well, I just made $20 on my Take Profit Pro account. Extra. For tomorrow. Freaking A. That was supposed to be the apex evaluation on that short. Boy, I'd be really mad if that went red. But no, that's all good. But yeah, if you guys are thinking about using, hey Bray, what's happening? You guys, that was dumb. All right, Take Profit Pro is going over there. Yeah, right at 420, exactly. Oh yeah, that was stupid. Anyways, yeah, that was my short trade, guys. Look, I was supposed to do it on this Apex account. I ended up trying to do it on my Pro account. So there, you guys got to see a funded trade. So yeah, so I'm up $430 on my Take Profit Pro account. So yeah. Yeah, that was dumb. Oh well. I knew I was going to do that eventually. I have too many, because I want to show you guys my accounts, because you guys will ask or whatever. So I have them all up here in the tabs, and that's what happens. This one I don't mind. If I take a trade on it, whatever. This one's really close to a payout. This is at 1,000 right now. I don't know how many days I'm in. I haven't even looked, but I'd like to try to get it up a little bit so I can get the $1,200 payout. Super nice short. We were in there. I ended up exiting because I was in the wrong account. But yeah, it actually did pay off. So nice little, just a real little simple inside bar there. Short. Had to stop at the high. Just a little simple strat there, but yeah. Oh well. Don't do that again. Nice, you're in a short. But yeah, if you guys are interested in Take Profit Trader, yeah, I think so too, John. 100%. Oh, I don't know. Does anyone use TradingView? I don't use TradingView. I've never used TradingView. Dylan has a question whether or not you can somehow link with Apex to TradingView. Joker Trades, maybe you can help out Dylan if you don't mind. But yeah, exclamation point Pine in the chat. I'll make sure I didn't miss anyone. Yeah, Trader 205. Yeah, Bealonox is good. For sure. Yeah, I appreciate that 205. I don't know if they have. Do they have Ninja Trader? Trader 205. I'm not sure if they have Ninja Trader though. Bealonox, because that's part of Tradeovate. Because I use the Project X. But with Apex, you can use Tradeovate and Ninja Trader. Trader 205. I definitely had the right idea. Yeah, I definitely had the right idea. Oh well. It'd been nice to stay in that trade, but once I lock in that daily payout, it's like I don't want to mess it up. Like I want that money, because those little base hits have been really adding up for me, guys. This is not to brag. This is just to show you what daily payouts just with like 5-10 points on a mini, just like little scalps. It's like one trade a day. They really add up. Right now I have $608 in the wallet that I can withdraw, but last week we ended up withdrawing like $1,100 or something like that. So yeah, they really add up. And you look at the dates here, it's just like every day. So, but yeah, if you guys are interested in Take Profit Trader, use code TerryTrades100. Friend of the channel. So, unfortunately, Take Profit Trader will not give me my code, or will not give me a code, period. So, unfortunately, but I still use them every day, so I'm going to show you guys that I use them, and hopefully someday they'll give me a code. But right now, they've denied me 4 times to be an affiliate. So, yeah, all right, Marco, thank you. Buellanox has Ninja. Show us your rewards tab. I don't know. Let me see. $4,000 points. 4,000, is that good? Well, it's good for a 25K test account. That's not bad. I think I'm gonna wait to see if I can get 916 more points for a 50K test account. That would be better. Hey, Amit. How's it going? I probably just botched your name, sorry. Yeah, it looks like I have 25K, but I'll save some points to try to get a 50K. I like the 50Ks better than the 25Ks, even though the 25Ks is not bad now that they got rid of the daily loss limits. Yeah, visible ID, yep, for sure. Probably a minute, yeah. I'm just focusing on this one right now. I feel like if I was copy trading them or something like that, then who knows, like, I don't want to do anything. I don't know, it's been going good right now. I'm happy with what I'm getting. I mean, a couple $100 a day keeps the day job away. I mean, Dan Emmons knows. You know, to a lot of people, you know, you got to grind out all day to make $200-300. So, you know, right now the daily payouts on that is going good. As long as I'm not like spending too much on resets or whatever, which I haven't really been. I am going to spend a little bit of money today, but we've had quite a bit of payouts this week. I think I missed someone's subs. Mr. Zone 1982, thank you for the sub. TNL Zubku, thank you for the sub. Eduardo, thank you for the sub. Appreciate that. Yeah, exclamation point Pine in the chat. We're gonna do a giveaway here in about 20 minutes. We made 2 trades on the stream so far. Nice little long here from the open. Little scalp, 116 points. We ended up getting in the short here, but I ended up was in the wrong account. I was in my account that I'm supposed to get a payout on tonight, so it was going in our favor, and we made $20 on it. But yeah, so now we're just looking for something else. Yeah, I gotta have PayPal, guys. Please, I don't have any other payout services, but I am going to work on getting some more payout services, Cash App or whatever. but I don't have any of that right now. All I have is PayPal, so we are. This won't be the last giveaway. This is just a milestone celebration. So for 500 subs, and I appreciate you guys using my code Pine for Buellanox and Apex. It's the reason why I can pay some of it back. So. Kind of like this long here. I am in the right account this time. We are rejecting off the VWAP here, but I do like it. I like the setup here. See if we can get a push up here through the 85s. Zabak, what's happening? John King, hey, pretty good. Pretty good, not bad. Made some money today. Had one casualty, but we didn't have much drawdown left on the funded account that we just got a payout on, so. Yeah, we had one casualty, but we did get a daily payout, so it's fine. How you guys doing today? So definitely rejected off the VWAP here. I'm still long. Yeah, so if you guys know anything about the pay service apps like PayPal and stuff, you send it to the wrong person and it's like impossible to get it back, which really sucks. Oh, you made $300 on all 6 accounts. Nice. Hey Lee Watt, thank you. Yeah. Hey Stock Tiger, what's happening? Good to see you, Stock Tiger. Thanks, man. Yeah, 500 subs, quite the milestone. Uphill from here. Hey Eddie, good to see you. So we're in a long here. Gotta push up through the VWAP here, but kind of like the little setup. It's a little Rami candle here. An ideal if we closed above, but let's see what we can get. As long as we can get up above this VWAP. Keeps bouncing its head off it right now. So hopefully we get above it and get a little push. Take out some stops. Hey Mikey Trades, what's happening? Good to see you guys in here. Yeah, Lo-Fi and Chill, yeah, I mean, Take Profit Trader is legit. I wish they would give me my own code, but it is what it is. Yeah, I mean, it's a little challenging. It's psychologically challenging. Take Profit Trader, just knowing that you can get those daily payouts. So it's tricky. It was my kryptonite for the longest time, and then I just buckled down and said, you know what? I'm going after them. I'm gonna get me my money back. And I got my, I think I've pretty much got all my tuition back from them. So, but yeah, for the longest time, it was the only major prop firm that I never got a payout from. I tried a bunch of times. I had one time that I got a pro account. I took a 100-point trade on the NQ. A little more than 100 points actually. Got just over the $2,000 buffer on day one. So one trade, 100 points, one contract, $2,000, and blew it 3 days later. Never got a payout. And then I just never went back to take profit trader for a while. I just worked on the other props and whatnot. But now I'm getting habitual daily payouts. I'm hoping to keep that going. But like I was saying earlier, like I was telling some other people that because it's a daily payout account, I really struggle walking away on a red trade or a red day. And that's eventually gonna bite me in the ass, and I'm gonna blow that account. I think it was 2 days ago. I was down on stream, on the morning stream. I was down like $500. I ended up getting back that $500 that day, and then got a $400 something payout that day. So it was almost like a $900 turnaround ish, almost $1,000. But yeah, I just could not walk away on that red day. So I ended up taking some nice setups. I wasn't on tilt, but if I was to take another loss, a losing trade, say for $200 to $300 with a mini, then then we start getting down there, and you know how that goes. It becomes like a snowball effect. So, what's tilt? Tilt is when you, I don't know, how do you describe tilt? Tilt is basically not caring anymore about your trades, I guess. FOMO, tilt, yeah, fear of missing out. Yeah, it's basically when you stop thinking, right? Revenge trading, all of that is tilt. Lo-fi, yeah. Yep, clicking buttons, exactly, guys. Because like I always say, like if I can tell you the trades I took at the end of the day, then it was a good trading day. If I can't tell you the trades I took, then I probably was on tilt and just clicking buttons. So. Yeah, Dan, exactly, right. Yep. Yeah, like this account I reset, and it was $650, guys, to reset that account. But I was getting daily payouts before that on that account. And so the account didn't owe me anything anyway, so I blew it, and then I reset it for $650, and you're like, oh, that's a lot of money. Well, it is. It's a lot of money. Even for me, that's a lot of money. But I was confident that I could get more daily payouts with it, and so far I've made, I don't know, $2,000 on that $650 reset. So yeah, it's about the ROI, like Dan says. Yeah, right, John. Yeah, you start adding to your losers with no stop loss. But yeah, it's like an out-of-body experience. It's like you don't even know. I mean, I did it the other day with an account, and I just watched it bleed until it blew. I just sat here and I just refused to hit the closed market, and I just watched it bleed till it died. I don't know why I still do it. Old habits are hard to break, and they're becoming fewer and farther, apart, but it's just like, I don't know what happens. Something in the brain. Hey, Brian Overcash, what's happening? Yeah, so I've been trying to trade the New York Open and 9:30 Eastern time, and then I've been doing this turtle market stuff, so like 6 to 8 or whatever. I don't think I'm gonna go to 8 o'clock tonight. I'm actually pretty exhausted from trading and streaming all week, to be honest with you guys. So yeah, so I think tomorrow I'm actually gonna take a little break from streaming and give myself a long weekend. But I ain't going nowhere. Channel's not going anywhere. We're gonna keep grinding it out and building. It's been awesome. But yeah, it is a grind. And Newts McBoots in the chat there, he's got his own channel, and he knows it can be a grind. You get a grind. Take a look at the Streamlabs here. So we got 24 tickets in. Appreciate it, guys. 24 tickets in. We're gonna run that in about 7 minutes. So if you haven't got your entry in, you need PayPal. !Pine in the chat, please. Hey, Coach Red, what's happening? Oh yeah, yeah, it is Valentine's Day tomorrow, isn't it, Vince? Love is in the air tomorrow. I'm still long right now. Not really doing anything. It's chopping around the VWAP right now. It's not. I needed to push up above here. If we get a little push and close above, then but yeah, I was in that short earlier. It worked out nicely. Except we were in the wrong account. Hey, thanks for the sub. Key-sun, thank you for the sub. Must have PayPal, guys. Must have PayPal. Wicked Trader, what's happening? Good to see you guys. No, not tomorrow. I'll be trading though, Dylan. Dylan, I'll be trading. But I just want to take a little break from the stream, just a little break. But no, I'll have my, I'm gonna have my accounts on. I don't like days off from the screens, but it won't be as stressful. A little stress break, I guess. I'll probably make a little update video or something. But yeah, we've been doing 2-a-days for the stream, and Chris, I haven't been going to bed. It's been time I get off stream and time I eat supper and all that stuff and wind down. It's like I've been going to bed pretty late. So, but yeah, thanks for the new subs, guys. Appreciate that. Welcome. Smash the like button too for me, guys. It actually really helps out the channel, believe it or not. Arcanus, how's it going? Oh yeah, Brian. Yeah, no, it's cool. Definitely cool. I've been really enjoying it. Dan Emmons, tilt is when you stop thinking logically. You stopped using your strategy and you just start clicking and doing anything you can to try to dig yourself out of a hole, which eventually ends in catastrophe. Exactly, Dan Emmons. And we can't explain why we do it sometimes. But most traders, most gamblers will have it from time to time. It's the ones that can really control it are the ones that become the most profitable traders. Best loser wins, right guys? Best loser wins. Sits right here on my desk. I look at it every single day, but yet sometimes I still have trouble walking away on a red day. Oops, sorry about that. Smacked my microphone. Reverse button equals till. Yes, Zabak, exactly, yeah. You start hitting that reverse button. Sometimes I'll flip the switch or something, but if I have a reason, like if I'm in a trade, say like I'm in this trade right now, and then all of a sudden one of my other setups presents itself while I'm in this trade because I've been sitting through this trade way too long, then like I'll flip the switch. I don't really consider that tilt, but I know exactly what Zabak is saying is like when you're just basically just point, click, and pray, and you know you keep clicking that button. Hey, Piano Trader, welcome. Thank you for the sub. Sorry if I missed any of your new subs. Welcome. Thank you. Exclamation point Pine in the chat. I'm going to give it another 5 minutes or so. And then I'm going to... must have PayPal, guys. Right here. Got 34 of you. For a $30 cash giveaway. I'll send it right to your PayPal. I'll have you email me your PayPal information, and then I'll have you come back into the chat and confirm it. So, Zelda Palm, thank you for the sub. Appreciate that. Hey, Red Pill, awesome, man. Or woman, I don't know, but. I always say that, so it's just the way I talk. Thank you. Yeah, coach, definitely. So you get down in the morning, and then you start to get that sideways chop in the afternoon, especially during the New York. And all of a sudden it's like, you know, get chopped up bad, blow your accounts. Definitely. And I've been guilty of it. Like right now, the sideways chop right now, of course, we're in a trade, but I was really thinking we were going to push up above this VWAP, but this is slow markets, so happens. Oh yeah, they're quick to rebuild, huh, Vince? Yeah, I bet you they are. They're not quick to update their dashboard. So yeah, we just got one minute or so. Please get your exclamation point Pine in. I'll give it one more minute. 7 o'clock now. I'll give it one more minute. Exclamation point Pine in the chat, and we'll run it. Nice little take profit there. Look at that. Who faded me, bro? Look at that pump above the VWAP. That's kind of what I was expecting. A little flat top breakout. Expecting it a little sooner there. So yeah, nice little trade there. Hey, No, good to see you. Okay, we're gonna run it here. Hey, it's going great. 3 for 3 on stream tonight now. 3 for 3. All right. Here we go. We're closing the entries. 43 of you. Good chance that you can win. 30 bucks. Closing the entries now. Sorry if you didn't make it, but we're gonna pick the winner. I got no fancy duck races or nothing, so sorry guys. Just picking the winner here. Wicked Trader. Congratulations. You won $30. Please send me an email at Wicked Trader. Please send me an email confirm in the chat that you're here. So send me an email with your PayPal email address. Create a 3-digit code in your email, and then come back in the chat and let me know that 3-digit code, because it'll pop up here. See how it just popped up? So it'll pop up here, and I know that way I know it's you. For the scammers and schemers out there. So yeah, I'll say that one more time. Just send me your email for PayPal to that email, toycruiser84@yahoo.com, with a 3-digit code that you made up. It's definitely rigged. And come back in the chat, tell me that 3-digit code, so that way I can confirm it through the email that you sent me. And I think that's the best way I can do it to prevent scammers and schemers. But yeah, I really appreciate you guys hanging out tonight. It's been awesome. We're gonna hang on for a little while longer, but yeah, that was a nice little trade that we took though. Took a nice little trade here off the rejection, or off this inside bar short. Ended up getting out early because it was in the funded account. And then we took a nice little long here at the open off the inside bar. And then this is a little setup that I like. Wick down below this giant mother candle, put in a harami candle, and I just went long above. I was a little hesitant because the VWAP was there, but then once we broke above it, we got that nice pop, so. Oh, is there Apex drama? There's always drama. I think there's more drama between Patrick Whelan and Danny Trades and the Funded Futures family, or whatever it's called. Yeah, that's been crazy stuff going on there. Is Alpine guilty with Apex? I don't know. He says not. I was on his stream. I wasn't talking to him. I was on his stream today, and I don't know. He just mentioned. He says he's never gotten any deal or anything like that. He says he's quite happy with his affiliate money. So I don't know. We'll see. Yeah, it's kind of crazy. I haven't been corrupted yet. I haven't been on YouTube long enough. I told someone, I said, just give it some time. Looking for your email now. Let's see. Okay, Wicked Trader. Let me get that out to you. I'll do that right now. I got your email. Came in my spam folder. Congratulations. Make sure. This morning I sent it to the wrong person, so I don't want to do that again. It was horrible. I said, yeah, that's typical. Just give me a sec, guys. So I had PayPal all signed in, and of course it locked me out, and then I had to go through the security check again. Wicked Trader, you still here? Do you mind if I say your first name? Just to confirm. I'm 99% sure it's you, but I think I'm 99. Your name's Michael? Alright, gotcha. Signing that right now. Alright, Michael, I sent it right over to you, Wicked Trader. Thank you. Appreciate the support, guys. I was able to do this because you guys have been using my code on Apex and Bulanox, code PINE, and I wanted to give back. So for getting 500 subs, so appreciate that, guys. Awesome. Go back in the chat, make sure I didn't miss anything. Yeah, there's a little scandal going on, but oh, look at that dump. Nice little fake out there. Hey, Visible ID. Yeah, no problem, guys. I appreciate you guys. We did one this morning too for people that tune in the morning, and I figured I wanted to come back on tonight because we have a lot of people that hang out during this time, so I just wanted to give back. This won't be the last one now that I know how to do it, guys, which is awesome. So, you know, when we get to milestones or maybe just randomly, we're gonna do more giveaways, things like that. But yeah, I really appreciate it. But yeah, if you guys are just tuning in, this morning we did a giveaway to TCG Andy. He's a follower. You'll see him in everyone's stream. Like, we follow the same path, you know. And he won on my stream this morning, and I typed in TCG Andy. I confirmed it with Methodical Man on the through DM, because he's a mod on Methodical Man, and I thought I had it all correct on the PayPal, but I didn't quite fully fill in the email address on PayPal, so it was my bad, and I went to the wrong person, and I was like, oh. And TCG was super cool about it because, you know, he's an OG, and we were DMing each other back and forth, and we got it straightened out. But yeah, I was like, oh man, I go, my first giveaway was almost a failure. So I'm glad I was able to get the Streamlabs giveaway bot thing working, and then hopefully in the future, now that I figured out this part, that we can do some of the cooler giveaways, like you know, like Cove Trader does the duck races, Nutty does the duck races, things like that, and Volatility does like marble races and all that stuff. So I like to be able to find something that's a little more fun to do for a giveaway than that. So yeah. Has a new race. Yeah, you know, the funny thing is, John, I'm from Maine, right? So it's like, I thought about doing the moose race, right? The moose races, but I don't know how many I can do on that program, and I don't have a clue on how to do it right now. So yeah, I figured a moose race. That's funny, Zabak. And Dogecoin, yeah, that's funny. Jeez, my power is flickering. We have a massive snowstorm coming this weekend. Not looking. Yeah, that's what I was thinking, John. A little moose race, or maybe some pine trees or something. Oh yeah, John, all the time, man. Not all the time where I'm at, but yeah, I hunt deer, so yeah, I see moose all the time. We don't have very many moose, like right where I live, but occasionally it'll just have one like pop in the field or something across from me, or yeah. One time I was sleeping, my old place, I was renting out this old trailer, this mobile home trailer, and one morning I woke up and I just happened to look out the window behind me, and there was this giant moose head filling up the whole window, just like looking at me through the window. I was like, holy. But yeah, it's oh yeah, John, man, you come up here, you go out to like Western Maine. So if you travel up to Western Maine and hit the dirt roads up there, and early in the morning, and yeah, just drive around and you'll see moose. It's pretty awesome. But yeah. Oh yeah, it's Quebec up in Canada for sure, yeah. Oh yeah. Hey Donna, how's it going? So yeah, the giveaway is over, guys. 7 p.m. but it's not gonna be the last one. But I appreciate you guys stopping in. It's not gonna be a very long stream. We took 3 trades. We're up 233.80 on this account. We would have been up a lot more, but I ended up taking that trade on the funded Take Profit Pro account. So we got a little bit more money coming from Take Profit Pro, but oh really? Yeah, they do it, Andres? Oh man, I would love to go out to Wyoming, and I would love to do that. I really want to travel out west. I really want to do that someday. Maybe when 0 Day J has his DGen Con, that'll probably be the first time I end up heading out west at all. It's pushing up here, NASDAQ. Really quite interesting session so far. We got a little, well, I guess it's pretty small range. I got it in 5s here. Jeez, my internet is doing some funky things, guys. Oh, you go snowboarding up there, Andreas? Yeah, nice. Yeah, we have some awesome ski resorts here in Maine too. Yeah, I used to do a lot of snowboarding. Not so much anymore. Actually, I feel like I want to get back into it a little bit, but you get older, and then because I feel like I'm gonna have to relearn some. So I don't have health insurance, so that could be dangerous. But yeah, we have a lot. We have some nice ski resorts up here. Sugarloaf and Sunday River are the big ones. But we have a little mountain not too far from me. It's basically a giant hill, but they have skiing and snowboarding. It's only about 20 minutes, 30 minutes from me. They got a lift and stuff, but it's a tiny like little family place, but they got some nice little runs, and it's kind of fun. They got a little snowboard park. John, I hate the snow too. I mean, I worked for the post office for 15 years, and yeah, being out in the cold, man. It's like, hey, you work at a ski resort? Yeah. Yeah, John, I mean, it's 80 degrees in my house right now with a wood stove, and it's cold out. That's cool, Elena. From Denmark, OG, so I've been family, yeah, Norway, stuff, yeah. Nice, Andreas, yeah. So you've been snowboarding and skiing for a while. That's cool, Elena. Oh, they have tennis and pool. Yeah, a lot of the ski resorts around here, they have, zip lines. They do the zip lines. I did that one summer. That was fun. I can't remember where it was. I think it was Sunday River, the zip lines. Mountain biking. And then the small mountain that's close to me, they have a whole restaurant and pub, and they do live music all summer long and things like that. And it's a lot of fun. It's free live music, so it's a lot of fun. Hey Brose, what's happening? Turtle soup? Something to eat down in Louisiana. Turtle soup. No, it's an ICT thing, right, Brose? I don't know. Someone, I don't trade ICT, but I'm sure someone in the chat does. But yeah, it's an ICT concept. Turtle soup. It's like the silver bullet, turtle soup. So it's one of his concepts. I don't trade ICT really. I mean, I do inadvertently, I guess, just from other things. But hey, Brian. Brian, last year at this time I was down in Florida. I spent February and March in Florida last year, and I really hope to go back. Your dad's a postal worker, Dan? Nice. Is he a mail carrier or a clerk? Yeah, I was a mail carrier for 15 years, bro. Yeah, I was a rural carrier. And so now, if I can be inside in the warmth, I do it. And if it's snowing too hard, I don't go nowhere. Well, it depends who you ask, Brose. But I mean, a lot of people use ICT concepts and are very successful with it. So, but yeah, I mean, it's just one of those things. Like I always say, like if you learn a strategy, you learn an edge, just stick with it. You know, just stick with that edge. But yeah, I mean, he has a lot of concepts. Newt Boots, who's a friend to the channel, he uses ICT concepts. There's a lot of people in here that use ICT concepts, so. I mean, that's the politician answer. But yeah, I mean, but really, like, if you find an edge, I don't care what it is, and you back test it, and it's profitable, and you just stay within that edge and trade it when you see it, and try not to like go on tilt and start clicking buttons, you're gonna be way better off. Way better off. Yeah, right, Vince. Yeah, a lot of people do that. Like Methodical Man uses ICT concepts, and yep, Visible ID I did. Yep. For half my career, we used our own vehicle, and then the second half of my career, we used the mail trucks, the LLVs, and that's when it got really crappy, especially in the Maine winters. Those two-wheel drive trucks, I've seen my life flash before my eyes many times in those trucks. But yeah, NASDAQ here, kind of in a bit of a range. Nice little push up though. But it's just been going back and forth basically between 22,075 and 22,100, we'll call it. And it's just been going back and forth, back and forth. So no real breakout or anything right now. Really the range is in play. Let's take a look at gold here. Gold is on that grind up. I mean, just check it out. Check out the hourly here. looking super strong, super bullish. Just trending higher. We're looking to, everyone's anticipating 3,000. So we'll see on gold. It's right, Fins. We guess our way in, we guess our way out. Exactly. Hey, Bray. We drive a 5-ton cube truck for work, but we work on the mountains on the West Coast. Yeah, man. Exactly. Like, you get those 2-wheel drive trucks in the snow and in the mountains, and the type of weather we get here. Like right now, it's well, it's stopped now, but today, all day today, it's been snowing and freezing rain. And the roads are just horrible. I went to, had to bring the trash to the dump before I got on stream, and I got an all-wheel drive vehicle, and it was horrible. Still, even with the all-wheel drive. So, yeah, with those mail trucks, I've gone down hills backwards, sideways. Very fortunate to not get into any major accidents. I've taken out some curbs and stuff with those trucks, but nothing major. Hey Brose, I think what's hilarious is that I have so much more fun going on tilt. It's the chase that makes it fun, but the number one thing I learned from the professors, act like you've been here before. Yeah, right, Brose. So yeah, I mean, that's the chase, right? It's trying to figure it out, the climb up, whatever. I think that's the psychology behind on why, like, I get a payout, and then usually within a day I'll blow a funded account. But like for like 2 weeks, 10 days or whatever, no funded, I didn't blow any funded accounts, and I'm grinding those up, right? And then all of a sudden I get that payout, and then I don't know what happens. I blow those accounts. I don't know what it is. I mean, I don't want to, but sometimes I do that. Sometimes, I mean, I've gotten multiple payouts on accounts, but it's not too often. It's not very often. Plus with the prop firms, you don't have much drawdown left. And if you're trading mostly minis, like I do, it can be tough. I wish I was on the beach right now. Hey J Stores, what's happening? Good to see you. So unfortunately the giveaway is done, guys. But I appreciate you guys stopping in. It was awesome. But we'll do another one. Hey Value, what's happening? Good to see you. So I think Value, I think it's exactly what like Brose was saying, is that, it's like, it's that challenge that you're trying to, is, it's that pursuit of trying to get to that payout, and then like once you get it, then it's over in a way. It's like your goal is complete. So psychologically, it's like, I don't know why I do that. I mean, I think I have a little bit of imposter syndrome, or whatever, how you want to say it, like, because when you don't have money at all, especially growing up, it's like, and then all of a sudden you get $10,000 payout or $15,000 payout, and it's like, doesn't seem real, in a way, and then you self-sabotage. I mean, if I could figure it out, Value, I mean, I'm getting way better at it, and it's just over time I've been getting better at it. Dan Evans, I drive through a massive snowstorm here in Milwaukee yesterday. I'm grateful to have all-wheel drive, Chrysler 300, with snow tires. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, with snow tires. I see you tweeted about snow tires. Having good snow tires in the snow makes a big difference. Absolutely, guys. So Nasdaq's pushing up still, 22,100. We yeah, if you're just tuning in, we made some good trades tonight. I know some of you tried to fade me tonight, and then you got beat this time. So I got you this time. But yeah, we just took a few scalps. I ended up adjusting my bracket here to try to not go for such big wins. I rewatched my streams from the past few slow markets and realized I was going for a little bit too many points. So I adjusted my bracket here, and it paid off tonight. So we got a nice little head start to this evaluation here. We got a few of these passed today, so I'm going to activate those, have those ready. Another daily payout. So really can't complain. So it was a good day today. And we gave away some money on stream this morning and tonight. So thank you, John. Appreciate it. You're probably right, Andreas, but I'm not thinking about that tonight because but you're probably right. I was rewatching those streams and I was like, and it was just literally sitting there at my take profit, like 8 points, 7 points, and it wouldn't take it, and then it would come down and take me out. But yeah, you're probably right, Andreas. Oh, you're in Milwaukee, John? Yeah, that's awesome. Dan's driving, so you probably can't see a chat. But yeah, guys, I think I'm gonna call it there. A little early stream, but that's all right. We're on about an hour and a half. We had an awesome little giveaway. We made some nice trades, a couple scalps, but I'm gonna take tomorrow off, guys. So no stream tomorrow. I'm gonna give myself a long weekend and just kind of recoup a little bit. So but yeah, wicked awesome stream. Really appreciate the support, guys. Appreciate the new subs, and so we will talk to you guys later. Have a good night, guys. Stay safe, trade safe, all that good jazz. Appreciate you.